Namaste beloved friends, welcome back to Beyond Traveling. Today in this video we are going to learn the one technique from the Vigyan Bhairav Tantra, the technique number 12. So we explore the last 11 technique. If you don't know about them, you can go and you can check in the playlist about the Vigyan Bhairav Tantra and you can find the last 11 techniques. So today we are entering into one of my favorite technique, very simple technique, and according to this technique you just feel the weightless in your body, either you are sitting or you are lying down. So what will happen when you explore this technique? So you make a see yourself when you have some kind of pain in your body or something is troubling you, your mind is too much worry or tension or thing, you can't go into the relaxed state. In the night also, if you feel something is happening in your body or something is happening in your mind, you can't go into the relaxed state. So if you use this technique, you just need some practice, like you just need to visualize yourself, you just need to say to yourself that I am completely weightless, and by this you can feel your weightlessness. You don't feel your body. The body is there because you feel the weight. And if you know the yoga or something about the siddhis, there is one siddhi in the yoga that by practicing the meditation or spiritual practice, the rishis, the sadhus, they can levitate themselves. There is lots of many stories around the world that people are levitated themselves when they are in the deep state of meditation. The Maharshi Mahesh Yogi, he is also using this technique of levitation. So when you practice this technique, maybe in the future, maybe in some time, you can feel your body is not in the ground, your body is having no weight at all, it's lifting up, because your soul, your consciousness has no weight. That's why before death and there after death, like when you are alive and where your body is died, you don't have change in the body weight. If something is there inside the consciousness, something is heaviness is there, you don't feel that heaviness because the consciousness have no weight, your atma, your soul have no weight. So just using this technique, you can move into the deeper relaxation, you can move into your source, to your soul. So how to practice this technique? The best way, either you are sitting in the Padmasana. So what happens when you sit in the Padmasana? You have less contact of the body because your legs are compact, you are not touching the ground so much, and you are coming into the Buddha pose. So this is the best position for this practice. And if you can't practice this, you can simply sit, or also you can lie down. During the night you can also practice this, and just with your mental eyes you can visualize yourself. You can just say to yourself that I don't have any body weight. And in the beginning you can also little bit move your body to side, to the right side, and give some rotation kind of thing. And so rotate yourself and feel how the body weight is shifting around your buttocks, around your body. Feel the heaviness, the weight going right side, then back, and then left side, and then front. Just allow this weight to distribute and slowly coming back to the center, to the normal sitting position, and just feel your body that there is no weight at all. So actually you are telling yourself, and the mind have the greatest power. When you are believing in something, it will manifest like that. If you are saying to yourself that there is no weight in me, if you keep practicing this, just bring the centered inside you. You are not leaning to the one side, you are not leaning to the other side, completely in the center. The spine is completely straight in this position, not leaning to the one side. So that if you are continuing this practice for a while, you will see yourself that there is no heaviness, there is no weight at all, and you are in that time, you are out of your body. You are no more the body, you are no more the mind, you are completely out of your body, out of your mind. So you need to explore this technique just with the closed eyes. If you can't sit, you can also lie down and just visualize yourself. Just tell yourself that there is no body weight. Just feel it. Just say to mentally, just feel that there is no body weight at all. And with this feeling, you can see the difference. Slowly you are feeling less heaviness in the body. Slowly you are moving out from the body. You are levitating actually. You are connecting to your soul. You are connecting to your source. So try this technique, explore all this technique and see the result. They are very simple technique given by Lord Shiva to the Devi Parvati. So explore and see the difference, see the changes. So thank you. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.